Celebrations were organized by the provincial ruling party called Awami National Party in the northwest province of Pakistan as the upper house of the parliament passed the 18th constitutional amendment. The 102 clause bill reverses moves by successive military rulers to weaken Pakistan's 1973 parliamentary constitution. Northwest Frontier Province has officially been renamed as Khyber Pakhtunkhwa as part of the reforms, thus fulfilling the long-standing demand of the Pashtuns living near Pak-Afghan border. Many people, particularly Pashtuns and Awami National Party's activists, expressed their satisfaction with the new name given to their province.
I am very happy over the renaming of NWFP as Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and I think majority people are happy over it.
Before renaming, our province had no name. It was just a frontier, and now it has got its own name. Now I am happy over it.
As we are Pashtuns, so Khyber Pakhtunkhwa is our identity, and we are proud of it.
But this change has sparked violent protest among a non-Pashto-speaking ethnic minority in the province. The Hindko-speaking Hazaras object to the new name, saying it acknowledges only the Pashtun majority.
Khyber Pakhtunkhwa is no name. It says only Pashtun. What about other ethnic groups?
ANP was never 100% representatives of Hazara. They did a conspiracy in league with Muslim League Nawaz Group to change the name of the province. Hazara does not recognize this name. We have made up our mind to create a fifth province of Pakistan with the name Hazara.
We want the independence of the Hazara province. So it is our demand that the fifth province of the Pakistan should be created, and the name of that province should be Hazara province, and all the people of that locality, they should be associated with that province.
At least 10 people have been killed and over 100 injured over the issue in clashes between law enforcement agencies and demonstrators since Monday. The renaming of Northwest Frontier Province is intended to replace the name given under British colonial rule.
Pashtuns have got its identity due to the name as well, and this name will give Pashtuns a very identical position. There are certain minorities which are against this name, which is not that big matter. I think so. It will be resolved very soon with the consensus.
According to one estimate, the new name will cost provincial government more than $58 million and the federal government some $34 million only in stationery bills. Pashtuns have been given what they were waiting for since Pakistan gained its independence, but strong opposition by the non-Pashtun minorities and some political figures can mar the festivities and cast a shadow over the future of the province. Zahid Hussain, Press TV, Peshawar.